Hey, welcome to Gardening with Big Ben, and this episode of This Old Garden. Here, you see I'm walking down a brick path that was recently completed here at Rose Grove, and you see the garden alongside here. This has been a work in progress for several months here, and you can see that the garden has continued to grow here. We show you how to do how-to things here on this channel. And you see we're walking underneath one of the arbors that we completed here. And you see here, the garden has expanded here alongside the path here. We have some ornamental grasses here planted. They don't look so hot right now, but it's still, they're growing. It's establishing themselves. And right now, we're going to talk to the homeowner on this project. It's Marie, so turn around.
Hi! I am under a great arbor here that we made out of some pallets, which we didn't know what to do with, so great use for extra pallets in your yard.
What were the pallets from?
The pallets are from various things, mulch and sod and dirt and who knows whatever. We got a lot of bricks that you can see, the path, and we got this beautiful path, and along this path we've got some beautiful things planted. We got salvia, which you can see some bees on already. We have some roses, we got some zinnias, we have some India hawthorn, and over here we have some climbing roses. This one here up front here is quicksilver, and on the other side we have stormy weather, which is approaching. So to continue on down the path.
So we continue with the garden tour here in this old garden here, care of Gardening by Big Ben. And well, let's see. Now we're going to talk to the person responsible for this construction here of this path here. Oh, howdy. I'm here laying the bricks for the continuation of the Dragon Trail. And you see preparation begins when we rip the sod up here, and then we smooth it out here, and then we put this edging in place that kind of holds the pavers in place, and then we go ahead and no real underlayment needed here, no crushed granite or anything, because we're dealing with 98% sand here, and so we just gotta make sure we're relatively level to each other as we put the bricks down in place. And then what's going to lock this all in place is going to be some polymer sand that's going to make this, tie this all together when we're finally got everything together. Now I see there's some gaps here, and we can close those in here by tapping to the side here, get these things all in line. Important thing is make sure they're relatively smooth here, and we're not going to have any tripping going on when we have that. You understand? Okay, so pretty soon this job will be done, and we'll move on to the next one. But appreciate y'all being here and watching us doing this work. All right, now we're back here after this work is complete, and you see the rest of the path is here. It's laid and it's sealed here. We've extended the garden on this side to meet this. We still have a few of the, because we use the lasagna technique where we put the cardboard down over the turf. And Bahia is notoriously aggressive. It does well in dry climates, one reason why we have it here. But we still have to pull some of the remnants up here before they start growing again. And eventually, within a few months, we'll be able to plant in here and put plants in here directly in the ground. Now, this section over here is going to be a new garden. You can see some of the brown area right here. You can see we paint it there, and this is to make it a little easier. So the lawn will be able to be maintained more easy. And this area is going to be a new garden under this beautiful live oak that we call Annie Oakley affectionately. It's hard to believe it's been 2 years. We have some pictures we'll show you of some of the highlights of this garden. Here's a zebra swallowtail right here.
See if I can turn this off.
And also we have another visitor. It's a giant swallowtail. You can see him flopping around there. And here's a little pan of the garden the way it looks now. But we thank you for watching this video. And thank you for growing with me here at Gardening with Big Ben. Have a great day.